Hello, dear students. Today we will be continuing with the fourth chapter, Angles and Pairs of Angles. In today's session, we are going to see complementary angles followed by its practice set 16. Let's learn. Complementary angles. Draw a right angle PQR. Take any point S in its interior. Draw a ray QS. Add the measure of angle PQS and SQR. What will be the sum of the measures? That means here you need to measure angle PQS and note its measure. Then you will need to measure angle SQR and note its measure. Then you need to add both the angles measure. You will be getting 90 as the total. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. Here, angle PQS and angle SQR are mutually complementary angles. Now let's see a video to understand more about it.
There are a few types of pairs of angles that the competitive exams test you with. Two of them are complementary and supplementary. The names sound fancy, but the concept is simple. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. And two angles will be supplementary if the sum of their measures equal 180 degrees. Yes, that's how simple it is. Look at these two angles. 35 plus 55 is 90. So yes, they are complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then they are complementary. Look at this figure and try to name the two complementary angles. Here, we are given that angle ABC is a right angle, which means it measures 90 degrees. It means the sum of these two angles will surely be 90 degrees. So angle ABD and angle DBC will be complementary angles. Remember, if the sum is 90 degrees, then angles are complementary. Here's another.
So that was a video about complementary angle. In the next session, we are going to see what is supplementary angle. See the example. Observe the angles in the figure and enter the proper number in the boxes. Measure angle ABC equal to 40 degree. Measure angle PQR equal to 50 degree. So children, when you add 40 by 50, you will get 90 degree. Therefore, measure angle ABC plus measure angle PQR equal to 90 degree. The sum of the measures of angle ABC and angle PQR is 90 degree. Therefore, they are complementary angles. Let's see another example. Find the measure of complement of an angle of measure 70 degree. That means one pair of angle is given as 70 degree. You need to find the other angle. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. 70 plus x equal to 90. Therefore 70 plus x minus 70 equal to 90 minus 70. We are subtracting 70 from both the sides. Therefore x equal to 20 degree. Therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 70 degree is 20 degree. Next example. Angles of measure A plus 15 degree and 2A degree are complementary. What is the measure of each angle? That means here angles are given as A plus 15 degree and 2A. So we need to find the exact degree of these angles. We need to add both the angles, that is a plus 15 plus 2a equal to 90 degree. We will add the common terms, that is a plus 2a, that will give you 3a plus 15 equal to 90 degree. 15 we will be subtracting from both the sides, so we will get 75. Therefore 3a equal to 75, a equal to 25. That means we have divided 3 on both the sides. Now we will substitute the values of a in a plus 15. That will become 25 plus 15 equal to 40 degree. And we will substitute the value of a into a. That will give you 2 into 25, that is 50 degree. Therefore, the measure of each angle is 25 degree and 50 degree. Practice set 16. Question number 1. Measures of some angles are given below. Write the measure of their complementary angles. First one 40 degree, second one 63 degree, third one 45 degree, fourth one 55 degree, fifth one 20 degree, sixth one 90 degree, seventh one x degree. Let's see the solution. Let the measure of complementary angle be A. Here you can take any alphabet from A to Z. 40 plus A equal to 90 degree. A equal to 90 minus 40. Therefore, A equal to 50 degree. Hence, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree. Let the measure of the complementary angle be A degree. 63 plus A equal to 90 degree. A equal to 90 minus 63. A equal to 27. Hence, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 63 degree is 27 degree. Third one, let the measure of complementary angle be A degree. 45 plus A equal to 90 degree. A equal to 90 minus 45. A equal to 45 degree. Hence, the measure of complement of angle of measure 45 degree is 45. Fourth one, let the measure of the complementary angle be A. 55 plus A equal to 90 degree. A equal to 90 minus 55. A equal to 35 degree. Hence, the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 55 degree is 35 degree. Fifth one, let the measure of the complementary angle be A. 20 plus A equal to 90 degree. A equal to 90 minus 20. A equal to 70 degree. Hence, the measure of complement of an angle of measure 20 degree is 70 degree. Sixth one, let the measure of complementary angle be A. 90 plus A equal to 90. A equal to 90 minus 90. A equal to 0 degree. Hence, the measure of complement of an angle of measure 90 degree is 0 degree. Seventh one, let the measure of complementary angle be A. X plus A equal to 90 degree. A equal to 90 minus x. Therefore, A equal to 90 minus x degree. Hence, the measure of complement of an angle of measure x degree is 90 minus x degree. The second major question, y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measure of complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Solution. Sum of two complementary angle is 90 degree. Y minus 20 degree plus y plus 30 degree equal to 90 degree. When we add y and y, you will get 2y. 30 minus 20 will get 10. So, 2y plus 10 equal to 90 degree. 90 minus 10 will get 80 degree. Therefore, 2y equal to 80 degree. We need to divide 2 on both sides. So, you will get y equal to 40 degree. We will substitute the value of y equal to 40 degree in y minus 20 That will give you 40 minus 20 equal to 20 degree. Again we will substitute the value of y as 40 in y plus 30. That will give you 40 plus 30 equal to 70 degree. Hence the measure of two angles are 20 degree and 70 degree. This is the end of session 2. Thank you dear students. Stay blessed, stay safe, do your work on time.